Hello, Nature Journal. This is Francisco. I work here at the library. And last weekend, there was a lot of rain. And I went out to the Sierra Azul Open Space Preserve. And you'll see in the video coming up, but we met this little Sierra newt. Well, there were hundreds of them actually. They're on the rain because they mate in the water. So I think maybe the water got them out to mate. And they can live up to 20 years. That's incredible. I will put the link to the actual species information and everything, all the research that I was doing on these newts. They're very special, very slow, like sloths. And they're harmless and they're beautiful. Well, now I'm just gonna start some notes of my trip and of a special spot that I found too for the first time. That is an overlook of the Guadalupe Creek. Okay, guys and ladies, we'll see you soon. So another part of this project is we're gonna engrave the actual picture of the lizard into draft wood using our laser cutter. So here I have the Glowforge. You can see we can actually engrave whatever image. So we could engrave the map, or we could engrave the lizard, and it will be little. It'll be kind of like a keychain. I have an example of what something could look engraved on wood. So we're gonna do this really quick, and then we're gonna take a little quick short clip of the laser cutter at work. So let's grab an image of the lizard. We can just put it on our desktop. Right there as a JPEG, I can go ahead and just click and drag over to the draft board. Right in this, so we're gonna find a space in this board where we can, there it is. Here is our image. I know it's hard to see. It's really pretty. And then we're gonna just do a cut around it, just a basic square. So I've set the laser cutter and I found some really cool maple veneer upstairs, which is gonna be a much thinner material that we can actually tape right onto the journal. And here we see it's gonna be 13 minutes, and it's gonna give you the texture on the engraving of the actual salamander or the newt. So let's go see how it comes out. So our laser cutter is in the teen room currently. So let's go see. It's ready to go. All we have to do is push the button. As we can see, the button is glowing. Here we go. Turn on the fan. Okay, the 13 minutes have gone through. Our laser cut is finished. Take a look. We've cut a little hole. If we wanted to make it a keychain, here it comes. Look at this. And it's got 3M tape on the other side, so we can put it on our nature journal. Smells a little bit like burnt wood. Okay, we're back, and here's our veneer with 3M tape. There are 2 layers that need to be peeled. The top layer that protects our wood, and you can see it's going to come off really easy. And then we're going to attach it to our nature journal. This is the first time I laser cut with this material, but it came out very good. And then in the back we have the 3M tape, which we're going to make the illusion using this yarn that it's connected. So we're going to make that illusion, but we're going to put it right here. There it is. This is a very cool design. We did it earlier, it was a time-lapse video. That was the time between when this was being laser cut. So that's how long it took. I was writing this journal entry. So this is all sort of like one continuous video with some small breaks in between. And the red and white is sort of Christmassy, holiday-ish. So I figure it went well. And here we're just gonna crisscross it, make it just kind of fun, kind of like a puzzle of sorts. All right, folks. Following this, there will be a live video, or I'm sorry, a video of when we are in the trails. Okay. And that is it for this entry. Thank you so much for tuning in, and stay tuned for more Nature Journal episodes ahead. Have a great day. Happy holidays.